Okay, so here's another student question. He's trying to suppress his front cut, and he's getting a an error, a dangling relationship in here. And we're going to go ahead and do continue in here, because what it's going to do is it's going to provide a dangling relationship. So if we open up our feature over here, take a look at our sketch, and what that's doing, we have a brown or goldenrod colored relation down here that it's kind of confused. It's referring to a relationship that's in there, some sort of model geometry in there that doesn't exist right now. It's somewhere in the front cut. So let's go ahead and unsuppress that. Now let's take a look at the whole model here and what everything got suppressed. So we have the whole model here, all the hinges in here, all the hinge rounds and holes and the cuts and stuff like that. And this one is still, dangling there, but we can go ahead and get rid of that by just suppressing that sketch. So each one of these, as we right-click on that and tell it to unsuppress, it's showing us that the front cut's going to take out those hinges in the front, left cut's going to take out the ones on the left, and the right cut's going to take out the ones on the right. So all we do is unsuppress each one of these elements, brought this back to life, and actually made those cuts. So we go back to the front cut and we suppress that. Now we have that error. So I suspect what's happening over here with our left cut, if we were to right-click on that and open that up and see what we have in here, it's making a reference to the front cut in there. And we can probably correct that. So let's do this. We could just redefine that, get rid of that dangling dimension or relationship in there, or if you can grab that red dot in here and actually reestablish that, we could do that. But sometimes that doesn't always work. Get rid of that dangling relationship in there and kind of move that around, and just to try to pick up something else that might be in there. But the base sketch that you see in here probably would be the best choice. Easy thing to fix. And if you go ahead and rebuild the model, it should be okay now. So let's go ahead and bring the front cut back to life. And let's go ahead and bring that back to life. We're going to unsuppress that. And if we suppress it again, we don't get that error.